If we can move from who them consider to be gang leaders to now businessmen, every single youth on this planet Earth can do it.
That's the kind of music I like to listen to. Positive lyrics.
Me and Kingman will continue to do what we need to do. All we ask you for the same leverage you offer us before.
This is where we would say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
No cup, no broke. No coffee, no dash way.
Bring me Hitty some butcher. The reason I'm here today is to ensure that nothing is brewing and the peace is maintained. Especially with what is happening in your community. Today, and the mediator, Rankin has made certain and sure that you two are free from any fear of reprisals from the other side. Which means it's business as usual.
And let me make one thing clear. You see, the next time I give an order, and the eye them feel like they can just go around it, try to own it on their own. Anything we reach, you know, and just deal with that. Zane?
What advice? One vice or done vice?
No, my general. Every man have a vice. And we're going to use the vice to communicate. Because without communication, it's pure confusion and misunderstandings.
All of us that, Majay.
Well, let's consider this side of the situation fixed, so we can now move on to other areas.
Well, I don't want to endorse drinking on the job, you know. This call for a little celebration. Why not drink? Hey, and if you want something for red up your eye, you know, you can show it on the next side.
Hope is girly at that.